What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to buy crypto with a debit card on Kraken. A few things you need to know. You need a verified account, a supported card, and a matching address. For step 1, you need to open the buy interface. Log into your Kraken, locate the action button, click or tap the prominent buy button at the top navigation bar located on the screen, then access the instant buy. In step 2, you need to choose the currency. Select the asset you wish to buy from Kraken's wide range of supported digital assets, then enter your cash amount. Input the amount you wish to spend on your local currency, and then the interface automatically calculates the estimated crypto yield. And then step 3, add your debit card. Use the Pay With drop-down menu and then choose Add Payment Card. Then of course you need to enter your card info. Carefully input your 16-digit debit card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV security code. You also need to enter your card's billing address, so ensure it matches your verified Kraken profile details to prevent card declines. After that, you have an order summary breakdown which you'll need to review, and then also review the processing and spread fees. After that's done, you'll need to confirm the purchase by clicking on the Confirm Purchase button, complete any authentication required, and once verified, your payment will complete in seconds and your funds will be credited to your Kraken account immediately.